Okay, hello everyone. We will start with the newest tajimeat part 4, okay? And inshallah we have a course which will start this Thursday, 1/12, 1 December. It will be for 10 days, 1.5 hour in the day, and we will give in it a lot of questions, which they are the most important questions, is the newest tajmi'at, and PDF for the most important rules and examples for each one, and PDF for the most important تجميعات. Okay, inshallah will be private for the students in the course. Okay, so let's start here. Here is the schedule of the course, inshallah, from Thursday, 1 December, until Saturday, which is 10th December. Okay, let's start here. We have two parents, which they have three kids. The eldest visits every 3 days, the middle visits every 5 days, and the youngest visits every 6 days. If they all meet on the first day of the year, how many times will they meet for the first next 60 days? Yeah, 60 days, which is meaning that 2 months. Okay. Okay, this problem we can solve it by LCM. How can we get the LCM for it? Okay, we have 3 days, which is meaning 1 times 3, and we have 5 days, which is meaning 1 times 5. Okay, and we have 6, which is meaning 2 times 3. Okay, okay, so it's meaning that we will take one. It's repeated, so we will take only one of it, which is meaning 1 times 3. It's repeated, so it's meaning that we will take one of it, 1 times 3, and 5, it's not repeating, so times 5, and then we have 2, so it's time 2, which is meaning 3 times 5 times 2 gives me 30. So they will meet each other each 30 days. Okay, here we have 60 days, so they will meet 2 times, so the answer will be 2. Next one here, we have 20% of a number which is equal to 10% of 360. What is that number? Okay, it will be normal equation, which is 20%. 20%, it's meaning 20 over 100. Okay, 20% of number, which is meaning x, equals 10%, the same, which is 10 over 100, times the 360. Okay, and then we will simplify. This 0 will go with this 0, and this 0 with this 1, and then we have 36 here. Here this 1 will go with this 1, so we have 2x. We can simplify again. Yes, 2 over 10, it will be 5 here, so x over 5 equals 36. So to get it, I will cross multiplication, so x equals 36 times 5, which is meaning 180. 5 times 6, 30, 0, and we have 3. 5 times 3, which is 15, and 3, it will be 18, so the answer will be 180. Okay, here, if 4 consecutive numbers equals 46, what is the largest one? Okay, here we will solve it by trying the answers. Okay, so we will start with the largest number. What is the largest number? Which is 14. They are consecutive, so it's meaning 14 plus the one before it, 13, because it's the largest one. Yeah, then 12 before it, then 11 before it. If we add them to each other, it will be here 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 4, which is 10, 0, and we have 1. 1 and 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 1, 4, and 1, 5, so it will be 50. So we can't choose this answer, it's not right. Okay, we will take the smaller one, which is 13. If we take 13, so we will take the the 3 numbers before it, which is 12, 11, and 10, and then try them. 0 and 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, which is 6, 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, it will be 4. So the answer will be 46. So the largest one, it will be 13, the right answer. Next one here, he wants you to compare between 1720 hours and a year, which is 365. Okay, here how can we compare between them? We have hours here and here we have days, okay? We have hours here and here we have days. So we will convert the days to the hours, okay? Without multiplication, if we have 365, the day has 24 okay, hours. So we will times it by 24. Without multiplication, 300 times 20, it will give me 6,000 hours and more, okay? So here it's the bigger one, which is a year has 365. Okay, next one here, I have two numbers. Each one has two digits, and one of them is the reverse of the other. The difference between them is 18. Okay, so we will try. We will try any number and the reverse of it. And if the difference between them 18, so it will be. Okay, we will choose, for example, 24. 24 and reverse of it will be 42. And the difference between them, we will take it from each other. Here it will be 12 and here it will be 3. 4 from 12, it will be, okay, it will be 18. Okay, this problem, it has something wrong. Here is not 18, is not 18. Okay, because I took these questions from students which they made the exam, okay, which is not 18. Okay, because if we subtract 24 from 42, it will be 18. If we subtract 53 minus 35, it will be 18. If we subtract 64 minus 46, it will be the same 18. Okay, the only one which isn't 18, which is 34, so the answer will be 34. Okay, next one here, 9 dividing by negative 4. Yeah, and here we have negative 4 divided by 9. It's okay, this fraction and this fraction. Okay, in the negative, the fraction which has larger denominator is the bigger. It's okay, in the negative, because in if it's normal one like this one, not negative, yeah, which has the bigger denominator is the smaller. Yes, if it's negative which has the bigger denominator, it will be the bigger. Okay, so which one is bigger here? So the bigger one will be negative 4 over 9. Okay, so the bigger one will be negative 4 over 9. Next one here, he said that we have equation, and he said that y bigger than 0 and x less than 0. Okay, so which one is bigger, 1 over x or 1 over y? Okay, from this one, it's meaning that y bigger than 1, so it will be positive, and here x less than 0, so it's negative. Yes, sorry, y bigger than 0, so it's positive, and here x less than 0, so it's negative. So it's meaning that here it will be 1 over any negative number. Okay, and here it's meaning that 1 over any positive number. So which one is bigger? Exactly, which is 1 over y. Okay, here he wants you to compare between this one and this one. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives me 1. 1 again times negative 1 gives me negative 1. So the answer of the first one. Here, negative 1 plus negative 1, which is meaning negative 1 minus negative 1, which it will be negative 2. Okay, which one is bigger? Which is the smaller number? So here is the bigger one.